Kira. Kira. Say happy. Kira, say happy. Say juice. Can you say juice? Juice. Can you say serenity? Can you say serenity? Rennie. Say serenity. What about opal?
Opal?
Yeah. What about honey?
Honey.
Hey, honey. Is that your totos? Can you say mama?
No.
Baba? Wave baba. Wave baba.
Baba.
Baba. What else can you say? I know you can say paw-paw.
Paw.
Paw. Dada. Uh-oh. I know you can say dada. And I know you can say hey. Hey. Kira, say hey. Say beach. You want to go back to the beach? You want to go back to the beach? You do? You want to play in the water? You want to play in the water at the beach? Oh, you don't want to talk? Okay, you're stuck up now.